delete.
Future me sliding in here. I didn't make the intro during my challenge, but I'm pretty sure, pretend it's the current, I'm pretty sure that last week, I think it was last week, I made an artwork that was like a rainbow into a cloud, like a rainbow of birds, and then the cloud like kind of vomited out the rainbow. And then I thought like, I should make all these clouds in the sky the way that they do, but like vomiting out color. And I think it's gonna be real easy.
Cloud vomit. What is this? Oh, okay. Delete. 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 Okay, I want the cloud. Oops. Fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna take the pineapple hot air balloon. Aha. Good. Okay. Okay, I want sparkles. Let it go.
That's it. If you want to see the time lapse, I think the time lapses are very interesting. So do 4 people on YouTube, and that's up there. And if you want to see like the artwork without me doing this shit, because you really don't get a good look at the artwork, like you really don't. I'm telling you that. The link below to my website is there, and you can just kind of look at it and then get lost on the website. Yeah. Show YouTube that like you support artists by clicking like, and then maybe it would be like, hey, maybe other people want to support artists and get them to click like as well, and then more people will see the art.